Good morning, my name is Vern Bastable here at GreenUP Ecology Park, and today we're going to plant a tree. The most important step is going to be choosing the right tree. So what you're going to be looking at is the conditions where your tree is going to go. So we look and see how much light we're getting. We're looking at how much water is normally here, the types of soil. You're going to be looking at things like how big is that tree going to get when it's mature. You don't want to plant a big tree right beside your house. You don't want to plant a little tiny tree in your front yard if your shade is your goal. And that's the other thing you have to think about is, what is the goal for the tree? Are you looking for something mammoth to be in your front yard, or are you looking for something small with little fruits that attract the birds? So picking the tree is the most important step. The next step is finding some good stock. So when you're looking at a tree, you want something that preferably has come from a local source. When we're planting, the first step is find our location, and then we're going to dig a nice deep hole. You want it about the depth of the pot that you're going to be planting, and usually 2 to 3 times wider than the pot. And you're looking for a nice bowl-shaped hole. And when we plant, we're going to dig down, we're going to feel around and see how that soil is, see if we have to amend it a little bit with some compost. But again, you don't want to do too much. When we are ready, we'll put the tree into the hole and we'll do it up to a point where it's level with the soil. We don't want to plant it too deep. We don't want to plant it up too high. A really good way of doing it is putting a shovel across the hole when you're done and making sure that the shovel's touching both pieces of ground and the level of the tree that you're putting it in. After that, we're going to maybe amend the soil a little bit when we're putting it back in. After that, it's really simple. We're going to give it a good water, and then we're going to mulch around the tree. And you're going to want to make sure that tree is getting 2 deep waterings a week in its first year.